Guys, big news in the industry of Airbnb and what it means to you. Airbnb today released apartments that are approved on the platform. Now, this is huge news because it's already telling you that, oh, wow, they're getting into that. Okay, you know what? People are already leasing out properties, hence Airbnb arbitration. Let's get into that business. So you're going to have to move fast. There's a lot of opportunity here because now, right on the Airbnb platform, as you can see, I got it open right here. Go to Airbnb and friendly apartments approved. It's right there. I'll put the link if you can't find it on the description. So what that means is you're going to have to move fast. These apartments are already listed that say, hey, I am approving Airbnbs. Yes, they're already approving them. What that means to you is that, okay, well, then I need to go get, 2 or 3 of those units. You're going to have to negotiate the price a bit, but it's already approved. So all you have to do is just get it, furnish it, list it. There's no more like, oh, apartments don't allow Airbnb. It takes all that work out of it. Now, I know if you haven't taken the class, I got a free class on onlineairbnb.com. Just go there, click on Masterclass. It at least gives you the basic concepts of Airbnb arbitration. I'm Alan Jimenez, real estate broker for nearly 20 years. So if you need anything in the Airbnb niche realm, real estate, let me know in the comments below, and I reply to each of the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. Move fast. It's a lot of opportunity there. The Airbnb is telling you, like, hey, here's the apartments that are approved. Why don't you just go out to one of the apartments, negotiate the price, get it for even if you just get one. Now, I do have some tips on, like, if you're going to get an apartment, don't just get anyone there. You need to try to get that, depending on your city, but try to get at least a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. You're going to have a huge amount of more profit per bedroom. So 2 bedrooms is perfect just to get you started. Depending on the type of property it is, you're going to have to see what type of furniture, and don't over furnish. Stay within budget. Use these tips just to get you going. And then whenever you want to scale and treat it like a business, you get like 10, 20 units, then we'll have to put processes in place. But, take this tip. This is a free tip for you guys just to get started. I have nothing to gain here. Just like, I'm telling you guys, it's a great tip. I hope you like it. If you do, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Get your free Airbnb masterclass at onlineairbnb.com. Alan Jimenez, with nearly 20 years experience as a real estate broker, teaches the secrets to Airbnb.